Payper PDF is officially live. Some parts of it are a bit broken. So today I'm just going to show you what's working, what's not, and what I'm going to be fixing over the next week. Just a little bit about what Payper PDF is. This is the app number 1 of 12 over this year that I'll be making using my SaaS framework called SaaScore.net. It's a real simple PDF tool that can only do 4 actions at the moment, which is merge PDFs, split them, compress them, and also extract pages from them. It's designed to be that way because all of this is going to be progressing the framework that's driving it behind it. A few things that we've improved on the framework as part of this is we've got a billing flow end to end, so we're able to accept payments with minimal configuration. We've also introduced authentication. We've not done a lot of the authorization side of things, but we're going to simplify that going forward as well. And we've also introduced email providers, or the concept of email providers. Same with authentication providers as well. So this can just now scale into the next apps. I'm going to jump into into Payper PDF now and show you what's working. So this is Payper PDF. As you can see, I'm actually signed in already. Every account starts with 10 credits. This is just my way of saying, come have a go, see what's working, what's not working. Really sort of put it through its paces, and I can expose some other things that I've not caught yet. So the concept is simple. You just load credits onto the account and you can consume those credits as part of performing PDF actions. So no subscription required. You pay for what you use. Real kind of simple model. So as you can see, this is the logged in view. We've got a dashboard. Some of this is still placeholder text. So jobs this month, total savings. There's a reason for that. The deployment of this took me forever to do. I've encountered some real issues. I was expecting to have a video out on Monday. I've encountered some real issues that it's all to do with the admin dashboard and how that's working. I finally figured it out, but it did take me quite a while, longer than I'd care to admit. So there's a couple of endpoints that I've not finished yet. I'll just go through those. The credits are reflecting the true state of credits, and then I could just show you some compressing or some PDF actions and how the credits get consumed. One thing about this, the compression side, there's a package that I'm using, and it is very very odd because it seems to, no matter what compression setting you use, it seems to produce the same reduction in size. So I'm going to have a look at that. I'm not sure if I can do too much to fix that. I might just make this a bit more basic. So I'm just going to select a random gin comparison site document that I found on my computer, and we'll have a go at this. So choose files, gym apparel store platform, and can compress. This goes off. Okay, so as you can see, we've downloaded it. It's 3.5 kilobytes. The original was 5 kilobytes. Something that I've not done is maintain the naming. I've just called it file. That's something I'm going to address coming up. So that's compress. Then we've got extract. So if we do the same here, and then we can do pages 1 to 2 and extract the pages. And then, as you can see here, we've got 1 to 2 pages. Okay, this is merging. So as you can see here, we can merge up to 20 files. So what I'll do is I'll just do the 2 from here, merge them. We get the same. We get the 2 documents merged together. So that's merging. Splitting. If we can split this one, so we can split it 1 to 3. split by range. We've not done the interval yet. We can do individual pages as well. As we can see, if we open it up, file 27, we get 3 pages. Okay, so that all works. Okay, so let's go into the things that I haven't had time to finish before showcasing this. Although they're minor, like as in that it won't take me too long to do, these are important and I need to do them. So I'm going to aim to do them by this weekend. So first one, invoices. This is something that's going to live in SaaScore.net. So I just need to update, add an endpoint to just retrieve the invoices. This is the account settings page. The profile information is not updating. That's just because I haven't exposed an endpoint in SaaScore.net. That will happen. That's a very quick thing to do. And the danger zone, the delete account, I've not done that either. That's just going to obfuscate the one-way obfuscation of the data of PII effectively, but the IDs and everything will be retained for financial reasons. We can buy credits and all this other information still all good. So I'm just going to show you how we buy credits. Pricing page, which gives you, there are a few issues on the front end actually now I'm thinking about it that don't link to this page properly, but the starter pack, we're just going to go through that. I'm just going to buy these credits and I'm going to click buy credits. You can see what's showing on the next page before I continue. So we'll just go through this. So here you can see the checkout stripe, and I'm going to put in my card, and then I'm going to spend £1 and get some packs, credit packs. So just going to do this. There is a small caveat with this as well. So yeah, the payment works and everything. It's just what happens downstream of that. I'll show you that in a second. Because what's going to happen is we're going to get linked to the back to the dashboard, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, just bought some credits. It's linked me back. Funny enough, it's all updated properly. That's all to do with the webhook processing. So at the moment, I'm wanting to. What's missing here is an intermediary page that just waits for the transaction to fully complete. So at the moment, you can see I've got 9 credits. I had 4 before. I've just bought 5, so it has updated perfectly, which is quite funny because the first time I did this, it didn't do that. So, but that is something to be aware of. If that does happen, then you can just refresh the page and go from there. So if I go here to buy credits, it will take me to this. But then if I go to buy credits, it won't actually allow me to. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to redirect to the login page. The way that the purchasing is working, the billing is working, is that it requires non-guest accounts. So this is so that I can link up all of the which transaction belongs to which user downstream. It would just be a nicer UX if I could say buy credits, takes me to the login page, I log in, and then on the redirect, it will take me back to buying this credit packs. That's all something that is nice UX. That's something that I'm thinking about for how I can actually implement that in SaaScore.net to make that all a smooth back-end operation or back-end driven operation. That's Payper PDF. A little bit of work still remaining to make it actual, production ready, but it's available. Everyone gets 10 credits. You can go and play about with it. The compression tool will be fixed very shortly. Get some of these other little features at least working. There's 2 endpoints I need to make, and they're very minimal. So I'm going to do that. If you're enjoying this series and you want to see what's coming next, I'm going to be releasing it on the weekend as to what's coming next. I'm also going to be releasing my strategy going forward because of some of the things that I've learned from doing this application. So stick around for that. It's happening on Saturday. Subscribe if you're enjoying this, and also sign up to the SaaScore.net pre-release website. That's live. There's people in there. I'm sending out some newsletters, and I'll be sending out newsletters on more frequency as this goes on. And the plan is to get version 1 of SaaScore.net done by the end of the quarter. So strengthening everything that I've done within this and exposing a couple more nice to haves for version 1. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Cheers.